Yes, it's Saturday, and after yesterday, oh yes, I'm about to be extra today. Kind of just killing time. I'm gonna enjoy a leisurely morning before today's activity, which are also gonna be just as leisurely, and just have a good day. Okay, so the first stop of today is the, let me see, wait, I'm gonna let y'all see the sign. Hold on, it's nice and lovely here. KCC Farmers Market. And here he comes, he's coming. There you go. Aloha for real. Okay, so we are waiting in line at this Marukame Udon restaurant. Yeah, and clearly it's a line already. Look. So it opens at 11. So, but apparently, as you can see, there's people here lined up before they even open. That's a good thing. So we're gonna try it out, and we'll get to you once we get our plate. All right, so we're finally here eating our udon. I got the vegan udon with the potato croquettes and the breaded mushrooms, and he has the regular beef udon with the shrimps and porter. First time eating it, so let's see how we do. Okay, so Dad is in the room taking a rest or whatnot. I am heading to the beach, you know, just to kind of get some relaxation on, and actually, you know, put on one of these 10 swimsuits that I brought, you know what I mean? Definitely give me some sunscreen or whatever, like I say. Black folks can get sunburned, so I got something on my face and on my shoulders. That's what most of it is. Oh, check it out. It's lit, and it's not even, it's like 12, you know, more to come. You know me? But after the beach, you know, we're just kind of chilling, getting a little drink. We're gonna go to another spot to get another drink. And we're just having a good time. This Saturday, there's a vibe out here. Took a picture with some Perrys. That was kind of lit. Yeah, it was kind of lit. But yeah, peace. Last night was pretty lit. We had a good time last night. It was our latest night of the trip so far. Saturday. Now Sunday. It's this guy's birthday today. The main purpose of the trip. So, you know, we're about to go pick up this car. And, you know, just kind of relax, chill today. Sunday, so, you know. So, yeah. We're going to do a hike today as well. You know, since it's night, we're going to do a hike today to knock it out. And we'll definitely check in with that as well. Happy birthday to Dad. And we will check y'all later. Alright, ghouls and fools. We are at the Olina beach. About to just, you know, check out the beach. And see what they talking about. Just walk around, take some pictures, do the whole touristy thing. Extra, you know, what we usually do. So, here we are here. I mean, it's just like those coloring books, the little fill in the color thing, green, blue, white. It's so bright here without the smog of the city, you know. It's beautiful here. Okay, it took a while for us to get the car, so all the hiking and stuff, you may just do that tomorrow. Pearl Harbor, do that tomorrow when it's less crowded, you know, because the weekends is usually a lot of people, you know, that don't have to work, you know, obviously people are off on the weekend, yada yada. Just an FYI, this is more of a resort, so a lot of people that you see actually stay in the hotels and stuff. Like I said, we're more just, you know, looking and, you know, again, seeing the sights, if you will. So that's why you see a lot of people. A lot of tourists. What they call it, a man-made, pretty much a man-made pool. It's called a lagoon. As you see, it's like surrounded by like rock, sand, and land, right? So, you know, pretty much 4 of these man-made lagoons right here. Okay, so we are at Electric Beach, right? This man right here is about to attempt snorkeling. I can't swim, so I can't go out there with him. He said he can swim, so he gonna go out there. He got the flippers. I'll let y'all see him with the full gear, but they call it the Electric Beaches because there's a big electric plant. There's a big plant right next door to it, so that's why it's called the Electric Beach. Yeah, you know, there's a lot of people out here barbecuing. You know, there's actually a lot of people out there snorkeling. I know you see all the specks of people right there. Yeah. So yeah, there you go. Daddy got the gear on. Yep. You gotta see you with the flippers. Oh, you ain't got the flippers on yet? He ain't got the flippers on yet, but yeah, you see him with the snorkeling gear. He about to get lit. Okay, ghouls and fools. So our next we actually here at our next stop. We are at the Kaena State Park. It's actually a lot of beaches and stuff, but to go to main, it's like this big range right here. And it's pretty cool, but you know, it says it's a 2-mile hike up, and that means which is a 2-mile hike down. I'm gonna stay on the beach or something. I'm not doing it. So we'll check in with y'all later. Okay, that's where I'm going. I'm not going any further than that. Yeah. Seeing Mickey, seeing some sights, some hikes, some things around the way. We are going to enjoy another night of just, you know, leisurely relaxing, drinking, trying some more eats, things like that. This is where we at right now. I'll make sure I get the name of the place once we leave. Wait, what's that one? We are at the Lava Tube Waikiki. And you know, just enjoying a little special for us over. About to enjoy ourselves one more day before the weekend is over for Monday hit. And yeah, it's a vibe. With a payphone, with a few quarters or whatever, you can dial anywhere. It don't work. Never mind, don't work. So be careful with your cell phone.